It's a long way from Havelock to Raleigh, too far to make it home on time. With the stars above, I park outside a hotel to find myself a place to spend the night. It's a hard life out on the road when you've traveled them all 1,000 times, and all my days seem to run together, and a mile don't feel that far to me now. There is nothing more lonely than this room here in this town. There's no one to help you up when you're feeling down. I'm lost here on the streets of Havelock, and I'm afraid I may never be found. I'm looking for a place all the money I have can buy, looking for a place to lay my head, 'cause it's one more night in this town and then I'm headed home. You can say that I'm not